Welcome back to another episode of DIYGolfCart.com. Today we're continuing on our series working on our 2012 EZGO RXV. Today's episode we're going to be taking off the rear body. As you can tell already, I've already removed some of the unnecessary accessories such as the sunroof. There was a sand seed bottle back here and there was a cooler mounted on the back. We've already got all that stuff out of the way so we can get started. So let's get our tools and get started on the car.
Do it yourself, go-kart. Do it yourself, go-kart. Do it yourself, go-kart. It's the one-stop shop for installing car parts.
In today's project, we'll be using a 15mm wrench, a 15mm socket, a T45 drive, a T27 drive, a ratchet, and if you have a cordless drill, that'll really speed things up. On each rocker panel, you have 2 bolts on the top, 1 on the side. And on the other side, 2 more on the top and 1 on the side. There are 2 bolts on this side that holds the rear body down, and there's 2 more on the other. Next we'll tilt the seat forward and then you'll lift it straight up. Now we'll remove the 2 bolts holding down the seat hinge and the bolt in the back holding down the rear body to the frame. Now remove the 2 bolts from each side, holding the seat back in place. Now let's remove the 2 bolts in the bag well. Now to remove the boots, simply squeeze, twist, and lift off. Removing the charger receptacle, you'll first put the car into tow, remove the positive and negative leads. Now to remove the charger receptacle itself, we must remove the 4 bolts. And don't forget to unplug the sensor connector. Now to remove the controller cover. Now to remove the rear body, just simply grasp it where the boots were, lift off, and it'll be out of your way. Now that we've got this body off, you can tell this thing is a mess. So what we're going to do now is get it around back, get it washed off, get it cleaned up, brought back in here so we can put some nice quality parts on it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks again for visiting us here at DIYGolfcar.com.